Hi everyone, after watching this video, you will be able to create cool animation like this. Be sure to keep watching this video, okay?
Open loadoffiles.com and sign up or log in. Log in with Google. I already have an account. We go to website loadoffiles.com and click search, for example, car. Select the animation. Go to Asset and Embed. Save to workspace. My drafts. Save. And then click Hand Off. Enable Asset CDN. Scroll down and copy embed HTML. And we go to Elementor page. Click plus flex box, direction column. Click edit container, advanced, unlink padding, top 100 and bottom 100. Click plus container, add container again. Click right click, direction row horizontal, and click this. Right click, duplicate, and click plus, click HTML, drag here and paste the code, this code, copy and paste, and here it is. Okay, drag here and we go to advanced, scroll down, click motion effect, click scrolling effect, click horizontal scroll, and to left or to right. For speed, we can fill 4 or 5. For example, 5. And we can scroll down like this, but it's only on Elementor Pro, and link in the description below. You can add lots of animation in this website, lot of files.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more video, okay?